Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming connectivity and the minimum permissions. This saves time. On your Samsung, open Quick Settings and tap Smart View. This initiates device discovery. Make sure the TV or streaming dongle is powered and on the correct input, because the phone needs to see an active receiver. Once the receiver appears in the Smart View list, don't tap immediately. Verify the device name matches your TV to avoid connecting to a neighbor's screen, and then select it to start pairing. Once connected, you must manage quality and permissions for a smooth experience. If the TV shows a PIN, enter it on your phone to secure the link. This prevents unwanted connections. Then, go to the phone's Smart View options to adjust resolution and sound output. Higher resolution uses more bandwidth, so reduce it if you see lag. If a specific app blocks mirroring, check that app's cast permissions or use its built-in cast button. This often bypasses protection and lets audio and video stream correctly. To end the session, open Quick Settings and tap Smart View again or swipe down and stop casting from the notification. This cleanly disconnects both ends. If performance is poor, make sure devices are closer and reduce competing Wi-Fi use. Weak bands cause latency. When problems persist, restart the phone and the receiver. Check for firmware updates. And as a last resort, use a wired HDMI adapter for a stable connection. This eliminates wireless interference and guarantees full.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.